Tax-Free RV offers streamlined trailer registration services in Montana. They act as a registered agent, simplifying interactions with state agencies. With decades of experience, they make the process painless for trailer owners. They can also help set up a Montana LLC, providing benefits like saving on sales tax for vehicle purchases. Vehicles registered in Montana are exempt from sales taxes. Montana LLCs simplify ownership and offer tax benefits. Tax-Free RV assists in setting up the LLC swiftly. Corporate names can be used for vehicle registration and insurance, ensuring compliance with regulations. Forming an LLC allows legal vehicle ownership regardless of usage location. Tax-Free RV services benefit everyone, regardless of wealth status, helping save on taxes and registration fees. Contact Tax-Free RV for trailer registration and Montana LLC services. Email sales@taxfreerv.com or visit 9 South Broadway Avenue, Suite F, Red Lodge, Montana, 59068 for more information. Stay updated with Tax-Free RV for tax-saving benefits.